Whiteboard by Athena AI is a brand new software that promises to revolutionize how we create, organize, and execute ideas. In this video, we'll go over the 7 crucial things you need to know about Whiteboard by Athena AI, especially if you're considering whether this is the best tool for you. Stick around to the end because I'll be sharing some insights on how it stacks up against other popular AI tools on the market. First off, Whiteboard by Athena AI is all about simplifying the brainstorming and planning process. It's designed to help teams and individuals map out their ideas in a visual and interactive format. Whether you're working on a complex project or just need to organize your thoughts, this AI-powered whiteboard offers an intuitive platform for you to collaborate effectively and efficiently. The key feature that sets this tool apart is its use of AI to enhance your brainstorming sessions. The AI can automatically suggest related ideas, create connections between concepts, and even help you structure your thoughts based on patterns and past data. This makes the whole process feel less like a blank canvas and more like a guide that evolves with you. If you've struggled with getting started on a project, Whiteboard by Athena AI might just be the kickstart you need. Now, if you're someone who works with teams, you're going to love the collaborative features. Multiple users can join the same board, making it perfect for team brainstorming sessions, client meetings, or even educational environments. The interface is incredibly user-friendly, allowing you to easily drag, drop, and organize your ideas. This makes it much easier to get everyone on the same page, no matter where they are. But Whiteboard by Athena AI doesn't just stop at ideation, it also helps with execution. With its powerful task management integration, you can turn your ideas into actionable steps. Tasks can be assigned, tracked, and updated in real time, ensuring that your team stays on top of their responsibilities without the usual confusion or scattered communication. One of the standout features is its ability to sync with other tools you're likely already using, like Google Drive, Slack, and Trello. This makes it incredibly easy to integrate into your existing workflow. You don't have to worry about jumping between apps or losing track of important documents. Another thing to note is the AI's ability to analyze data and predict the success of certain ideas or strategies based on past trends. This is extremely valuable for anyone looking to take a more data-driven approach to decision-making. Instead of relying on gut instinct, you can make informed choices with the help of Athena's intelligent algorithms. Finally, Whiteboard by Athena AI has a clean, visually appealing design that won't overwhelm you with unnecessary features. It's straightforward yet robust, making it accessible for beginners while still offering the depth that more advanced users will appreciate. You can try Whiteboard by Athena AI for free by clicking the first link in the description. I highly recommend checking it out if you want to see if it fits your needs. After testing thousands of AI tools, I've narrowed down my top picks, and I've linked those in the description as well, so feel free to explore them after trying Athena AI. In conclusion, Whiteboard by Athena AI is a powerful and user-friendly AI tool that's perfect for anyone looking to streamline their idea generation and project management. Whether you're working solo or with a team, this software can help take your brainstorming to the next level. Don't forget to check out the free trial and my other recommended AI software below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.